Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your Jupyter Notebook dashboard and locating the IPIN file you want to rename. Once the server is loaded, make sure the notebook is not running in another tab. If it is, close it or stop the kernel to prevent file locks. Then click the checkbox next to the file name in the dashboard to reveal actions. This first step is about safety and access. Verify the path and confirm the notebook is not executing so you can rename without data loss or kernel errors. Now you perform the rename in the dashboard. With the file selected, click the Rename button at the top or right-click and choose Rename. A small input appears. Type the new descriptive file name and be sure to keep the IPIN extension. Renaming without it breaks recognition. Avoid characters like / or / that can conflict with OS paths. After pressing Enter, confirm the change in the file list and once done, reopen the notebook to ensure the kernel reconnects properly and paths inside cells still work. Finally, you have alternatives and a troubleshooting tip. If the dashboard is unavailable, open the terminal in the same directory and run mv old name. IPIN new name. IPIN, this is fast and preserves content. Once renamed, search your project for hard-coded file names and update imports or file path references so notebooks still load data correctly. If the kernel or checkpoints act up after renaming, restart the Jupyter server or your browser. That usually clears stale locks. This single tip resolves most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.